Doing, guys? Today I'm gonna make a video about how to remove and put the side door back on a GoPro Hero 6. So over here on my left, you're gonna see from left to right, we have a GoPro Hero 2, 3, 4, and 6. So I'm gonna be working on GoPro 6. Pointing is GoPro 2. Next one, we have next one is 3, 4, 4, 4, and this one is 6. I'm working on number 6, and I'm still working for a little while. I'm still working with this camera for a little while. So, but anyway, let's go back to the video. The reason that I'm doing this video, like I said, is how to remove and put the side door back on the GoPro Hero 6, and let's do it. So this is the back door, as you can see over here, the little one. And why do we have to remove it? The reason that we have to remove it is because we have to use a USB-C 3.5 millimeter GoPro 6 microphone converter to put the microphone. So I have it over here. So we have to open the door. We can open the door for that reason, or we can open the door for any reason. Could be probably to see how it looked like. So this is the way I open it up. It's a small door, give it a little problem sometimes to open it up. So that's what happened, that sometimes we just push it too hard and then we just slam it back, and that's what happened. We end up with this on the hand, and we said how we can put it back. And we go over there how to put it back. And sometimes what is happening is this, that sometimes we are able to just put it back like this and install it. But sometimes this goes all the way deep in, really hard, and then we pushing it back, and it doesn't work. Like I'm doing on my hand sometimes, it goes all the way like that. Right now, I'm pushing it back, and it's not going back. It's not going back because I push it too hard forward. So what I have to do is this little clip again, push the clip, the doorknob, push it in down, and push it back like I did. Because if you don't push this door down, you're gonna have a hard problem when it gets locked. So push the little pin in down, like open it, push it down, and push it back the way I'm doing. And then when it's ready, as you see, the way it is, it's ready to be installed. Back again. And before I proceed, let me install it. Well, let's try to install it. So the way I install it, like you see in my hand, is all the way back. I just try to put it this way, the way it's supposed to go. There, like that. And then switch it back. So it's already closed. That's the way I do it. But anyway, let me open it up again. Like I said, sometimes you get a little stuck. You need a little pressure back because it is tiny door. So we are really careful. And then we open it up, and it's open and we can see. But to install, again, to install the USB-C 3.5 millimeter GoPro microphone converter, I need to open it up. And this is the way we install it. As you can see that, right? And just push it in, and that's installed. So you work with it any way you want. You can work to the right, like that, or take it out and work to the left, like so, and do it any way you want. What I have over here on this 3.5 millimeter, what I have over here is Velcro tape. This is what it looks like, Velcro tape. Let me show you what it looks like. This is what it is, the tape that I use. Sometimes it's useful. You see, that's it, how it works. One is set and the other one is glued, and let me give you a demonstration about it, how it works. So you can have an idea. You can use it in many different ways. So whatever you need, it is a piece of this. Let's cut it. And also you're gonna need another piece at the other part. It comes on set, like that. And whatever you wanna use it for, like I did. So in other words, this is the one to be put first on, the first one. As you can see it, how they look like. One is the base, and this one goes on top like so. So I'm just gonna show it. Take it out, and let me put it, let's say over here. Sometimes you wanna put a microphone over there. So I just place it like so, okay, like this, and that's what goes on the top. The other piece, taking it out, and if I want to use it like that, like so, and just glue it. It's supposed to stay there for some time. So we already have the 3.5 millimeter GoPro 6 installed, and when it's installed, it is ready to put the microphone. So you have it over here. See the little hole over there, the tiny hole over there? So that's where you install the microphone right there. You see it, right, Joe? You see it?
Yes.
Okay, so in the tiny hole, the microphone on, and it's ready to work. Like so, you see that? In, it's not gonna work. And it still is locked. So I had to press this pin in down, this little pin, I had to press it down, the little pin or the doorknob, press it down and pull it out. That's the best thing to do. Now it's out, so it's ready to be installed. And the way that I install it, right now it is extended, as you can see, and I get ready to put it on. Up, down like that. Do you see that? Up, down like that. Go down, and it's installed, and just push it in. That's the way to do it. The little door, pushing it out, taking it out to install the. What the fuck I'm doing? But anyway. I'm not doing this. Okay, again, okay, guys. Okay, guys. The last review about the little door to install the converter. You open it up, slide it back. It's out. Put the converter in. Work with it. When you don't need it anymore, take it out. And to close the little door, all we gotta do is put the camera down and make sure that this is extended back like that. But if it lock again, you know, if it went all the way like that, you're gonna be pushing and pushing, it's not going nowhere. So pushing the little door knob, pushing it down like this, like I'm doing with something, your finger, pushing it down and pull the slide out. So when the slide is out, it is ready to install. So just put it incline this way down like this, okay, like that, like so. And when you hear the clip is in, just turn it a little down like this, and it's ready to be installed. Just push it in, like so. I think that's the best way I can show it to you right now. Might be a better way, but for the time being, so that's it, guys. So, okay, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and I hope that can help you a little bit. So, and like I said, this is GoPro 6. I am having problem, but do we have anything better than the GoPro 6 right now that we can use it under the water? Oh, going swimming, getting into the beach.
Not on that size or not on the price range.
Not on the size and the price range, right? Okay, guys, thanks a lot for watching the video, and see you in the next video.